Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go, no stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
Good morning, guys. Today we are going to Mt Balagbag to hike,
And our friend G from the ship is coming as well.
yeah, so
His first hike. Proper hike, he said.
this is our fourth, no? This is our fourth hike na sa Balagbag, and this is actually our parang practice hike because we're going to spend overnight on Saturday there. So because hindi ako nag-hike for like 3 or 4 months, kaya sabi namin let's hike na ngayon para hindi na ako mahirapan sa Saturday. So it's 5 o'clock. This is actually the late na umalis kami kasi normally we leave around 4, no? 3:30.
Yeah.
Mga at this time 5 o'clock nag-start na kami mag-hike kasi we try to catch the sunrise, tsaka parang hindi na mainit kasi normally mga 10 or 11 pababa na kami, hindi masyadong mainit. So ngayon, let's see, hopefully fingers crossed hindi siya ganun kainit. So from SM Fairview to Likaw-Likaw, yung jump off is around how many? Mga around 45 minutes kasi naka-private car kami. Pero kung magkakamute kami from SM Fairview, just catch yung mga tungko na jeep. Tapos baba kayo sa tungko. Then from there, parang lagpas pa siya ng tungko ng konti. Balik lang kayo. Tapos sa right side din, nandun na yung terminal. Look for Likaw-Likaw. Tapos, siguro mga 45 minutes to 1 hour, depende sa, halos wala rin naman traffic eh. And then from there, pwede na mag-tricycle to the first registration. It will save you mga 30 minutes of walking. Pero kung trip nyo naman, pwede na kayo mag-start doon. Mag-walk hanggang doon sa first registration. So ngayon, susunduin muna namin si G, and then afterwards, diretso na kami sa Likaw-Likaw. So, see you in a bit. Bye!
Bye!
So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do.
So, andito na kami sa jump off. Magta-tricycle na lang kami papunta dun sa first registration kasi 6 o'clock na. Dito na kami sa registration. Dito tayo kay nanay. Dito kami normally nagba-breakfast. Pero ngayon, good morning! Wala pang luto si nanay. Pili na lang tayo ng tinapay.
So
nandito na kami sa taas. Mga ilang kembot na lang, nandun na kami sa helipad, which is the summit. Tapos yan, umaambon-ambon kasi, tapos yun yung rainbow na sobrang laki, sobrang ganda. Kaya lang sabi ko nga, parang palakad kami ng palakad ng malayo, pero hindi kami nakakarating dun sa ano ng rainbow. Eto, bagsak. I don't know why. Kasi pala, it's not feeling well kasi ang dami yung masakit. Sobrang okay ngayon mag-hike kasi ang lamig ng hangin. Kahit may araw na, malamig pa rin yung simoy. Parang Christmas. So, it's very nice. So, we're looking forward to our overnight on Saturday. Tapos yung registration pala is 20 pesos. Dun sa pangalawang registration, 20 pesos during weekend. No, during weekdays. Pag weekend lang daw, 50 pesos. Kasi medyo nakakonfuse kami. Kasi one time nagpunta kami 20, then 50. Kaya tinanong na namin si Kuya. So, dun sa first registration, it's 10 pesos. Tapos dun sa second registration is 50 pag weekend, 20 pesos pag weekdays. Yun. So, rest muna kami kasi medyo umaambon-ambon. Then afterwards, diretso na sa halapad. So, see you there! So, ito na yung CR. Nagkaroon na ng bubong. Nawala ang mga doors. So, ngayon, isa na lang ang door.
Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but I never felt this high. Biggest ride of the century.